I'm Frida. Today we're unboxing HTVRONT's latest release, HTVRONT D1 DTF printer, a powerful tool to help you grow your t-shirt printing business like never before.
Let's dive in and see what's inside the box. First up, a small envelope. Inside, you will find a user menu and a brand card. Next, we've got a film tray and a film holder on the left. And on the right, a full toolkit packed with cleaning tools. Under the first foam layer, you will find one box of ink and one box of cleaner ink on the left. On the right, there's a 164-foot roll of DTF transfer film. And now for the star of the show, the HTVRONT D1 printer itself. Sleek, solid, and ready to create. You will also receive a 500 pouch of DTF powder, shipped separately, but included with your order. So once you receive the printer, you are all set. No extra investment needed. You can start printing and profiting right away. Now, let's go through the basic installation. First, remove the print card lock. Keep the lock, screws, and all the packaging, including the protective foam and shipping case, in case you need to ship the printer again for servicing. If you notice a bit of cleaning solution in the ink tubes, don't worry, that's just from quality testing at the factory. It's completely normal. To install the film tray, align the hooks with the front slot of the printer and press it down gently to secure it in place. Pull it outward to check if it's firmly attached. To install the film holder, unscrew the 5 screws on the back of the printer. Align the film holder with the screw holes. Then use the original screws to fix it in place and tighten. Next, insert the plastic holders into both sides of the film roll. Make sure the smaller end faces inward and press firmly to lock them in. Slide the roller bar through the plastic holders with the film roll centered. Add one set screw to each side, tightening them against the holders. Then, align the notches on both ends of the roller bar with the grooves on the film holder, and the film is ready. Just make sure the matte side of the film faces up. Now, open the printer cover and lift all 3 pressure rollers. Feed the film underneath the rollers until the front edge reaches the film tray. Make sure it's centered and lying flat, aligned with the white markers. Gently smooth it out by hand if needed. Lower the middle roller first, then the ones on both sides. Once the film is flat and secured, close the cover. Now, let's move on to the ink installation. Loosen the screw to fix the ink box cover and remove the cover. Shake the ink bottles well. Then pour each color into the correct tank. Y, K, M, C, and white. The waste bottle is used for waste ink collection. tighten the screws and put the ink box cover back on. Next, connect the white ink stirring pump cable, plug in the power cord, and switch the printer on. Use the USB cable to connect the printer to your computer and insert the dongle into another USB port. The HTVRONT D1 supports Windows systems only. To install the software, visit the product detail page or scan the link in your user menu to download both rain and better printer. Now, let's take a quick look at the printer's touch panel. There's a pause button. Press once to pause printing and press again to resume. The clean button starts print head cleaning when the machine is idle. It won't working during printing. The left and the right arrow buttons move the print head. Tap for small steps. Hold to move continuously. The feed and back buttons control the film movement. Tap or hold depending on your needs. The HTVRONT D1 DTF printer is a user-friendly DTF solution designed for small-scale production, with print speeds up to 16 square feet per hour, plus full tutorials and after-sale support. You will be up and running in no time.
Whether you're a shop owner or a serious DIY creator, the D1 will help take your business to the next level. So, are you ready to turn your creativity into real income? Let's make it happen with HTVRONT.